I'm gonna show you how to host N8N for completely free. You don't have to pay anything. First of all, we go to this website, render, go to dashboard, and then you sign in with whatever you want. I'm gonna do it with GitHub. This is what it would look like. You're gonna select add new, and then you select web service. After that, make sure to select existing image. We're going to import and paste the Docker image of N8N here. Go search for the image. As you can see, just copy this part and then go back to the site and paste it here. He will automatically recognize it, as you can see, and then click connect. You can rename it anything you want. Scroll down. You can see the different prices and plans. Just select free, but I don't really recommend it because it will go on sleep mode if the server is idle for more than 15 minutes. But guess what? I have a solution for that part, so don't worry about it. So follow the video to the end. After you select the plan, you scroll down and then select deploy web service. Okay, so the server is starting. As you can see here, your free instance will spin down with an activity which can delay request by 15 seconds. We don't worry about that right now. So as you can see here, your server is live. And then we can access it from this URL. And just like that, you have N8N hosted for free. You don't have to pay $20 monthly to the cloud platform, and you don't need to host it on your local PC, so it consumes your resources. So after that, you go create your account. So N8N will send you an email for the activation key, so you can access all these features for free forever. I'm gonna do send the free license key. You just go to your email, copy the key, and then go to settings, enter activation key, paste the key and just click activate. And boom, your license is activated. Now you have fully installed N8N and you can do your workflows, your agents, whatever you want. Plus you have all the data. Another thing, if you go back to the servers for the environment, you can initialize your own environments. If you want to link it to another external database, for example, Supabase, you can do it from here so you can have all the data for yourself. I'm just gonna keep it like that just to show you because it will take some time. Okay, now the problem is if the server does not receive any request within 15 minutes, it will go to sleep mode. By that, any request will come. It will be executed after 15 seconds, which is a lot of time for many cases. It's not helpful overall, but I have a solution for that. Go to Chrome and then go to this website, cron job. Go make an account. After creating your account, it will send you an email to verify your account. Just select activate account and you're good. Now you have to connect. So this is the dashboard. Then go to cron job, left bar, and then go create cron job. In the title, name it, for example, N8N. And for the URL, back to the render, to the website render, copy this URL, select it here, and then we're going to do it every 10 minutes. It will send a request. So it can't go beyond 15 minutes, so the server doesn't go to sleep. And obviously, we'll keep it 24/7 active and then click create. So the cron job created. So every 10 minutes it will send a request to this URL and you don't need to go back to this website again, so forget about it. And you have a full functional N8N 24/7 that you can work with. Make sure to subscribe and see you on the next one.